Introduction. Today we'll talk about the surprising items banned on cruise ships. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Unexpected bans. You're ready for cocktails and sunsets when security pulls your bag aside. That harmless gadget. Totally banned. Cruise lines have quietly loaded their no-go list with everyday items. From extension cords to reef-harming sunscreen, these new rules are catching even veteran cruisers off guard. I'm about to reveal 22 everyday items now forbidden and the single slip-up that can sink your cruise before it sails. Bluetooth speakers. Imagine your poolside playlist thumping when security taps your shoulder. Music stops and your speaker is confiscated. Welcome to Carnival's complete ban on Bluetooth speakers, including in your cabin. This hits white noise machine users hardest. Carnival says it's to ensure emergency announcements are heard, but they're also cracking down on poolside DJs. Your best alternatives: wired headphones or the ship's entertainment system. Power strips. At security, you watch your harmless power strip drop into the confiscation bin. The confusion is real. Cruise lines now distinguish between surge-protected and non-surge protected power strips. Surge protectors can overload ship circuits, so they're banned. Royal Caribbean just changed everything, banning all power strips completely, citing fire safety. Your best bet: multi-outlet USB hubs for charging phones. Extension cords. Imagine needing your CPAP machine to breathe at night, but security says your extension cord is banned. This nightmare hits many passengers, but there's a way around it. Extension cords are banned due to fire hazards, but cruise lines recognize some passengers need them for medical devices. Start the medical exemption process before you cruise to avoid issues. Drones. You brought your drone for vacation footage, only to watch security lock it away for your entire cruise. Every cruise line bans flying drones. Carnival and Royal Caribbean let you bring drones aboard, but they stay locked in your stateroom. The reason? Navigation interference. Drones can mess with critical systems, creating serious safety risks. Gaming consoles. You're excited to game in your cabin, but the HDMI port is disabled. Carnival has blocked these connections. They worry gaming consoles will slow down everyone's internet. Your best bet: hit the ship's arcade instead. Walkie-talkies. On Norwegian ships, walkie-talkies often fall silent when families split up. Norwegian explicitly bans them due to communication interference. Most other cruise lines still allow them, but they offer mobile apps with messaging features that replace walkie-talkies. Thank you for staying with us. So far, we've covered Bluetooth speakers, power strips, extension cords, drones, gaming consoles, and walkie-talkies. Up next, we'll dive into homemade food, personal liquor, and more banned items. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing and share your own cruise stories with us. Homemade food. Homemade chocolate chip cookies for the crew land straight in the trash. Every cruise line bans homemade and perishable foods to avoid foodborne illnesses. Your best alternatives are pre-packaged snacks that meet health standards. Hard liquor. You might think sneaking vodka onto your cruise is clever, but the consequences can escalate. Carnival can issue lifetime bans for confiscated bottles. It's not worth losing your cruise privileges forever. Candles. A cabin decorated with candles quickly attracts a knock from security. Every cruise line bans candles and open flame items due to fire safety. Your best alternatives: battery-operated candles that create a romantic glow without the risk. Clothing irons. You're stuck wearing wrinkled clothes to dinner because security confiscated your iron. All cruise lines ban personal irons due to fire hazards. Your best strategy: pack wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Inflatable toys. Your kid's favourite floaty just got confiscated. Cruise lines ban oversized pool toys because ship pools are small. You can use them at private islands during port visits. Personal coffee makers. Your morning coffee ritual just hit a wall. Personal coffee makers are banned because they create fire hazards. Your alternatives: instant coffee or paying for ship coffee. Reef-Harming Sunscreen. Your favourite sunscreen just became contraband because it contains harmful chemicals. Many destinations ban these products. Look for reef-safe options to avoid penalties. Door decorations. Crew removing decorations from cabin doors isn't just for aesthetics. Some symbols are banned. Check your cruise line's policies before decorating. Balloons. Balloons contribute to ocean pollution and are banned. Your best alternatives: paper decorations that create festive atmospheres without violating rules. Portable washing machines. Your portable washing machine just caused a flood. These devices are banned due to water damage risks. Stick to onboard laundry services instead. Hoverboards. Your expensive hoverboard is banned because it creates safety hazards. Use the ship's elevators instead for mobility. Lifetime bans. Cruise lines are serious about enforcement. What seemed harmless can trigger lifetime bans. Social media surveillance is real, so don't post about rule breaking. Conclusion. These 22 banned items show how cruise lines have become stricter. If you're as cruise obsessed as I am, don't go anywhere. There's another video waiting for you right here. Just tap it to keep the vacation vibes going.